Some species of Arctic birds, which are threatened by the recent sharp increases of geese. Why? Which breed and are displacing birds of less vigorous species. So the geese are displacing some Arctic birds. Okay. Okay. Although geese are a popular quarry for hunters where they winter, if and when hunting has reduced the population by 5% only. Clearly dropping this restriction, which would mean increasing it to say 10%, thereby would allow the other species to recover. Okay, so what this is saying is that hunt more geese, other birds recover. The assumption is the geese kill the birds or displace the birds. You got to weaken that. Well, is this something else displacing the birds or some, is there something else maybe displacing them? 10, I mean, where will you hunt eventually? Okay, that's useless. Because it does, I'm looking for a reason why hunting more geese will recover the birds. This is the hunting more geese, recover the birds. The geese are displacing the birds. We need to weaken that causality. There must be something else that will depress the birds. There's been since the restriction led to the hunting season for snow geese being closed earlier. Just growing every year for souths as the population. As their population has increased. I think I don't think it's A, B, and C. As your population has increased. Yeah, I think they're moving to non-hunting areas. I think that's what D is saying, that they're moving to areas where hunting does not take place. I think I'll go with D. Thank you.